Hey guys, welcome to my another video. That is remaining part of noun. In my previous video, I completed the other nouns like common noun, material noun, abstract noun, and proper nouns. So in this video, we are going to discuss the following noun. That is a collective noun, the most important parts of noun that we are asked in our competitive exams. So we need to pay attention exactly towards it to get the topic exactly. So at first, we should learn that what is a collective noun. A collective noun is a noun that has the collection of something or a group of, or anything, individual things. Okay, like if we say that army is an army. What is an army? Army is something, or specific name? No, army is any common. The nations denoting the nation. No, army is not obviously nation. A man can be called army, or not the nation. But army is coming from the term that has the collection of soldiers. Okay, obviously, how the term or how an army is being made. An army is being made by the collection of soldiers. Obviously, if there is no soldiers, so how the armies could never be created, could never have been created. Okay, so as there is the soldiers, a group of soldiers or a collection of soldiers is called the army. Army is not just an army. Army is called the entire group of soldiers or the collection of soldiers. Okay, so likewise in this one, team. How a team is being made? How a team is made? A team is made by the collection of players. Obviously, even along with the school and classes, that has the collection of students and madam. A school is made by the collection of the teacher or students. Obviously, if there is no teacher or students, obviously there is no requirement in having the school or of having classes. Nothing could have been. Okay, we are having the classes term is made by the collection of students. Okay, after them. Okay, so then likewise we have another thing, the committee is also a committee is made. How a committee is being built? Committee is built by the collection of members. Obviously, if there is no members, there is no requirement, or there is no importance of committee. Obviously, not committee. Okay. Hard. What is hard? Hard is obviously another collective noun that is being made or that is made by the collection of cows, of the group of cows. As I told you, the cows is obviously cows, goats, and sheep are the common noun, obviously. But the group of cows, what we can say, the collection of the cows, the collection of goats and sheep are called just by the word herd. Collective noun, obviously. Okay, that is collective noun. But if we talk about cows, goats, they are obviously common nouns. Okay, but a lot of common nouns, many common nouns is together being made the collective nouns. Obviously, the collection, in Bengali we say সমষ্টিবাচক, তাদের সমষ্টি মিলেই collective noun হচ্ছে, সমষ্টিবাচক noun হচ্ছে common noun এর সমষ্টি, normal সমষ্টি. Anyway, okay, let's move to another one, that is the example, the instance, flock. Okay, flock is what we call flock is also a group of birds or a collection of birds that we call flock. Okay, so there is many things, flock and herd. Likewise, a lot of examples of this lesson. We have learned that how the collective nouns are actually coming and collaborated together in the part of speeches also, and the variations of noun also. Then in the next video we will be discussing one after another the other parts of noun, like adjective, verbs, pronouns, adverb, conjunction, interjection, lots of matters also yet to learn. Also, I will be teaching you. And one thing regarding noun that I would like to teach you, that is the countable noun and uncountable noun. Are you familiar with these terms, with these two terms? Obviously, you may be, or if you are not familiar or you are not acquainted with these terms, so I am gonna say that countable nouns are those nouns that are something that we can count, like apple, any apple, any fruits, any vegetables, like a cucumber, potato, number of potato, there is 2 potato, 3 potato, anything like we can count. Like a mobile phone, we can count easily one number. A headphone, we can easily count the number of one headphone it is there. So everything that we can count, a number of 1 pen, 2 pen, 3 pen, 4 pen, 5 pen, anything that we can easily count, or anything, a number of man, one person, two person, three person. I mean first person, second person, third person. Obviously, like that is a part of pronoun, not like but one person, two person, three person. People's number of peoples. 40 peoples are there, all was being killed, or I mean 3 peoples was down. I mean assassinated by the accident. Okay, so that are the matters of the countable noun. So if I talk about the uncountable noun are those nouns that is the in opposition of I mean countable nouns, like that you can count, we can't count. Okay, so like a glass of water, can you count the glass of water? You can't count. You count the glass. Glass is another countable, but not the water in that glass, that is the glass is containing. The water is uncountable. Why? Because we can't count the water. A water, two water, three water, can you count that? You can't count, because water is something uncountable. We can measure the water, oil, milk, many things that we can easily, I mean we can't count. So that are the uncountable nouns. So okay, with these topics we can ended up the lesson of nouns. So in the next video we will be teaching, I mean learning the another topics of the part video. It's okay, or I'm ending it here. And if you have any queries, so let me know in the comment box, and I'll meet you with the next video in the video. Until then, tada, see you guys in the next video.